Hello guys, my name is Andriy, I'm with ARDMOR Windows and Doors. We just finished the installation of the windows. We completely replaced the windows and removed the siding and shutters in order to do that. Our team installed around 16 conversion kits and 4 or 5 full-frame windows. All the windows are Andersen. ARDMOR Windows and Doors is an Andersen-certified company. When you replace windows with us, you will receive 5 years installation warranty from us, with first 2 years covered by Andersen, as we are certified. The benefit of choosing a certified company over a non-certified one is that we have been trained at the Andersen factory in Minnesota to properly install and repair windows. Andersen windows are affordable with us. We offer 18 months financing with no interest and no down payment required. This is a significant benefit because we can install the windows and then you can start making monthly payments. This is a great option for getting Andersen windows. Please visit ardmor.com or come to our showroom located in Willow Grove, Pennsylvania. Thank you for watching.